Stop right now if you want to get Google Play Store on your iOS. So guys, today I'll be showing you step by step how you can get the only working Google Play Store on your iOS. So guys, if you want to play some Android game, or you want to simply have some application that is available for Android but is not available for iPhone, now you can have it with this Google Play Store iOS download method. So guys, this works for any kind of iOS. I downloaded it on my iPhone 7 Plus, guys, but you can also download it on any kind of iOS you have, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, doesn't matter. So guys, let's now go ahead and start the video. So guys, here it is, Google Play Store on my iOS, and when you download it on your iOS, it's called iOS Google Play. So let me show you how it looks like. So yeah guys, you basically have all Android apps, and yeah, you can go ahead and basically guys like download any app you want or anything you want to get from this iOS Google Play. Fully the same app as the Google Play Store. So guys, let's start the video how you can get this iOS Google Play app. So the first thing guys we need to do is to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the iOS Google Play. So guys, simply head over to the settings, then go to the general, then background app refresh, and make sure guys that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now we need to do a couple more things, so just follow me guys. So I'm gonna exit this again. So guys, you need to head over to the battery settings, and you need to make sure guys that the low power mode is turned off. So guys, you'll know when it's on because the battery color will be yellow, so just make sure it is off. So guys, now we have one more thing to do, so just follow me. So simply head over to the general guys, then go to the about, and you need to make sure guys that your software version or the iOS version is iOS 13 or above. So as you can see guys, right now I'm on the iOS 15.7.5, which is good. So you just need to make sure guys that you're iOS 13 or above that. So guys, now I'll be successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation of the iOS Google Play. All you got to do now guys is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There will be guys the full video where I show you where you can get iOS Google Play. I guess unfortunately cannot show you that in this video, because simply Android developers will ban it. They actually don't want you to use this Google Play Store on iOS for some reason. But yeah guys, if you want, I mean, it's your choice, you can use it. So guys, just head over to the pinned comments, also leave a like if this worked. Bye for now.